Tunisia's parliament speaker Mohamed Ennassour is sworn in as acting president following the death of Baji Qaid, the country's first democratically elected leader. In Somalia, funerals are held for officials killed in an attack claimed by militant group Al-Shabaab, which wounded the mayor of Mogadishu. In Puerto Rico, protests turn to celebrations after Governor Ricardo Rosselló announces he will resign on August 2nd. And French inventor Frankie Zapata fails to cross the English Channel on a jet-powered hoverboard. He had hoped to fly the 35-kilometer crossing in 20 minutes.